Hello, I'm Alistair from TrouDigital, and today we're very excited to announce our brand new native Power BI integration on the TrouDigital platform. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how easy it is to use our integration and how you can get Power BI charts and dashboards across your screens within seconds. Using our brand new native Power BI integration is very easy. The first step is to open up a creative and then click, drag and drop the dashboard widget onto the design canvas. Select Power BI from the dashboard options, click add, and then you'll just need to sign into your Power BI account using your Power BI credentials. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Once you've signed in and you've given any appropriate access, click next. And then from the content type, choose between either report or dashboard. For this demo, we're going to go with dashboard. And then click next. And then from here, you're able to choose the workspace you want to pull the data from and then the dashboard that you want to display. So for this demo, we have a test account set up. So we'll just click Power BI TrouDigital Test. Under dashboard, we can select from any of the following four. So for now, we'll just go for the sales and marketing sample. Click add dashboard. And then within a few seconds, we can see the dashboard has now been pulled through and is on our design canvas. So all we need to do now is resize it. And that's it. You can see the data is now being pulled through and we can engage our employees with all these different metrics that we want to show. Any data that's being pulled through Power BI will be live, so any changes that are made in Power BI or any changes that occur on Power BI will be also reflected on your screens as well. So it's a great way to keep your employees up to date with real-time dashboards. There's a few different options here as well, so a few changes and settings we can tweak. So for this dashboard, if we change our mind and just want to show a different dashboard, select the dashboard widget, which is already done on the canvas. On the right-hand side, you'll see the dashboard widget options, and then below there, we can see dashboards. So if we click this drop down, we can actually switch between any dashboards within this workspace here. So we can go to the IT spend analysis, we can go to the customer profitability sample, and as you can see, all of these have been pulled through very quickly, so you can make nice quick changes if you need to. Of course, you can also set up individual creatives to show these individual dashboards as well. If you want to, you can also change the content type and workspace as well to pull through different types of data to meet your different requirements. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use our brand new native Power BI integration on the TrouDigital platform. It's a very easy way to securely display dashboards across your screens and keep your employees up to date and engaged with the latest real-time metrics that are driving your business forward. If you have any questions about Power BI and how you can use it with our platform, please get in touch with support@troudigital.com and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.